Hi everyone, it's Heidi from WTI, and I have loved adding this Olay Vitamin C Face Mask Kit to my weekly beauty routine. Step 1 is an orange thick gel with crystals in it, and step 2 is a thinner liquid that's clear. The two-step system doesn't take long at all to apply and use. Just start with a clean, dry face and follow the instructions from there. Each step is just up to a minute, and as I apply each of the steps, I can feel it exfoliating my skin. Step 2 is my favorite part because step 2 is the activator, and it feels so warm on my skin. And after I've used both of the steps, my skin feels so smooth. It's such a treat to pamper myself and to care for my skin with this Olay Vitamin C Face Mask Kit. And that's my point of view.